Hey Eddie, good morning. Hope you're doing good. God bless you and your family. I just wanted to take this time to show you some of the things that we've done with the blessings that you've given us. And so I'm just going to take you on a quick little tour. But thank you so much. We bless you guys. And let's check it out. So we built a little storage facility. We need a lot of storage in this field. Got these doors made about a week ago. They came out really nice. Just put in the window, and then we have a little downstairs area, and then we have this little window here. Let's open it up. It looks out to our other part of our soccer field. And you walk out here and there's the other part of our soccer field. What I really wanted to show you is the creme de la creme. We built this. It's a nice half pipe, 4-foot half pipe to 6-foot. We got all our stands up there. I call it the Jesus ramp, and then slash Mayan Jesus ramp because it looks like a Mayan pyramid. And then we got that, and that little window goes into the bodega. So we put a bodega behind the ramp to have just trying to use walls. So build a wall there, so now we can put the bodega. But we'll use this ramp like we do soccer. We will bring in kids, young adults, even adults, and we'll use this to help them know the Lord. It's like a net. Like our soccer here, we use this as a net to bring kids in, and then during the course of the year, we start sharing the gospel and teaching about, Jesus 101, and we'll do that here too. So anyways, Eddie, I just want to say thank you so much for all your blessings in our lives, for your constant care. I thank you for you and Meg for always being so generous to our family. I pray that we can use this ramp, just like we use the soccer field, as a way to disciple kids and just to really give them the day-to-day lifestyle of Jesus and how to love him and how to make disciples. So hope to see you up there in September. Right now, today is August 25th, which is actually sharing my anniversary, our wedding anniversary. And hopefully to see you up there in September, which is like 5 or 6 days. Maybe we can have a coffee or something like that. But thanks again. Thanks for being part of our ministry for the last 20, going on 29 years. Thank you so much, Eddie. Have a great day. And congratulations on Stuntman. It was so great. I loved it. My family loved it. I hope you're just doing really well, being very successful with that movie. Thanks. Have a great day, and we'll see you later.